going to mean for this that was mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad. They were largely left alone. So they're trying to figure out where they're going to fit in this new Syria. And it seems like that is where a lot of this...
Right at Newark Airport, I'm looking for a mile marker. I don't see a mile. 102.3, and I'm southbound. And I just got rear-ended by a white pickup truck. I'm in a Nissan Rogue.
Going to the beach on Friday, I usually hit major traffic right at the end of the night.
Yep, that's what I just hit in town here. Oh shit! God damn!
Somebody cut you off?
Somebody came through the middle. I'm in the turn lane, and somebody just drove through and almost T-boned their ass.
Oh shit.
So you noticed how I kept a nice big distance? You're just... Wow.
Garmin. Save video. That's all right. Do you want to go up in this parking lot here maybe, and we'll...
This is the kingdom.
was at the Wall Street conference yesterday, Jason Lyons event, and Byron Donald spoke. And he talked about this exact bill, this big, beautiful bill, and he said this. He goes, you know the Trump tax cut that they passed in 2017? You know,
MTV, God only knows, got me ringing me in the GP, see how it goes. Eagle's all that I see, you ask me my name, D to the Bizzo, E to the Bizzo, I to the Lizzo. I'm a crazy mother, you all knew that. Austin taught me in the first act, it's all backwards, what's with that? So I'll make a prophecy from the dogs to the mini-me. Give me an Escalade, a two-way bling bling on eBay. Domino.
Grand Marquis.
Mobile speed camera zone.
Jesus Christ.
Mobile speed camera zone.